Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Wetland Public School, will teach you Computer of Grade 4. So, dear students, this is the part 3 video for the chapter 3 more about Tux Paint. So, let's start with new topic slideshow. Slideshow is a series of selected pictures often displayed on the large screen one by one. To view the slideshow in TuxPaint, follow the given step. Click on the Open tool. It will display the thumbnails of saved pictures. Click on the slide options. Select the pictures you wish to display the slideshow one by one. Each picture that you select will be marked by a number. It lets you know the order in which they will be displayed in the slideshow. You can also deselect the selected image by simply clicking on it. The image will be removed from the slideshow and rest of the pictures will be renumbered. Adjust the speed of slideshow from the slideshow fast by clicking on the sliding scale present at the bottom left corner of the screen and next to play button. Display the automatic advancing of slides by clicking on the leftmost bar of the sliding. Click on the play button to begin the slideshow. Press the space bar, enter right arrow key or next button to manually advance to the next slide. To go back the picture selection screen, press the back button. Click the escape key to exit the slideshow. Let me tell you the fact. If you do not select any picture for the slideshow, then all the saved picture will be played in the slideshow. Let's know more. Ripples effect. Applying this magic tool makes an object look way in a circular pattern. Let us know deleting a drawing. You can delete a saved file in a TuxPaint. Select the Open tool. All the saved files will appear on the screen. Choose the drawing you want to delete from the TuxPaint. Click on the Erase button present at the bottom right of the screen. A box will appear as shown in the figure. Select Yes to delete the drawing. The selected drawing will be erased from the TuxPaint. If you select No button, the elected drawing will be not deleted. Let's know more. Drawing flowers is no longer difficult. You can make ready-made flowers of various colors using the flower magic effect. This subtool will be draw curvy stalked flower.